To Yardstyle live.
It's just, you know, Patrick Skeng just had the theme thing. We never see an altercation.
All right, you see another situation there? It's where I really come from. It's a garrison youth. And we can't dance and a bad at the same time. But you have to understand, say, you see the youth them we grow with, them know my journey, and them take it personal because, guess you know, everybody have them friend and everybody have them who them respect. But guess you know, sometimes and not really money make your friend them love you, you know. It's where them know where you come from and you yourself motivate them to turn something good in a life, them take it personal. And the only thing me worry about in the streets, if you don't like Patrick Skeng, we don't have a problem. But don't take it personal. You understand what I say? So if you know, say if you don't rate me, everything good.
Yeah, man.
But do not take it physical. Because guess you know, Patrick Skeng not taking a this with him career, because it no look good. And me said one, no one this you. Because respect go both ways.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.